Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So today we're looking at the question and negative form in an I'm sure Ashnach in the future tense. So we use on for the question and ni for the negative. So, Narilaka, the rules. So we add an uru to the verb after on when asking a question. And we add a shevu, so a H after the first consonant, after ni when answering in the negative. And remember, not every letter takes an uru or a shevu. So, as we said, on puts in an uru, and you can see the list of urus there beside it. On Nartoi 2, will you hurt? On Vog I she, will she leave? On Rihi 2, will you run? On Olhi shiv, will ye drink? On Dogfamid, will we take? And ni puts in a shevu when you need. Ni gartoi me, I will not hurt. Ni augi she will not leave. Ni rihi 2, you will not run. Ni olhi shiv, ye will not drink. Ni hogi mid, we will not take.
Agus sin é.